Hi, my name's Norman Drangshaw from the Sea Dog line, and today we're going to show what we think is a really innovative new cleat that we just came out with. Now, cleats have been around for millennia, and a Hirschoff-style cleat or a horn cleat is very useful, but it also can trip or hook things, and so people have been changing to pull-up style cleats, which go through the deck, very expensive to install. Others have come up with new through-deck ones that are also a fold-up cleat, but we feel the most important thing is when you bring it up into the up position or the down position, we want to hear an audible click up and down. So that's one of the things we like. We did it in two different styles. We did it in an oval style. These are 4.5 inch. This has a Thru-bolt. This one has the hidden, and the rectangular has the hidden. And we also did it in the 6 inch. The other thing that's really different about this is this has a patentable hex key for a bolt. These are 1/4 bolts. Put them in, lock it in. What's important about that is there's certain times when a shorter bolt going through an aluminum deck is just fine. You don't need to have a long 3-inch bolt. Other times you're going through a deck boat where it's got plywood and you want to have a longer bolt. You want to only have one person installing it because it's expensive to have a person above deck holding a screwdriver and a person below putting the nut driver on that. So this allows you to put it in. It also has a great design that allows you to flush this. We know from experience that anytime you have something that lays flat on a deck, it needs to be flushed out of salt, debris, all the other stuff that goes in there. The smaller one can do all the way up to 1/2 inch, that's the 4.5, and the 6 inch can do 5/8 line. We think this is a great new product. Thank you for your time. Safe boating out there.